Hi everyone, today in front of me I have OPPO Reno 7 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser app on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera and click on install. Wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It should not take a lot of time, maybe a couple of seconds, as you can see. Alright, now we can go ahead and open it. Here, while launching the Opera browser for the first time, we will be required to choose if we want to enable or skip some of the features this browser has from the start. So I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip the step where I can set the Opera as my default browser. Then click on allow, and that is pretty much it. We are all set from now on. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave your like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.